I'm Steve, the awning lock guy, and what we have here today is a Jayco with an electric awning. The electric awning is an altitude. The difference with the altitude awnings over most other awnings is the smaller barrel diameter. So when we make the awning locks, we've got to make a special one for this size barrel, which we do. All we need is you to specify what it's on when you order. So this particular setup has got everything in it. It's got the Deluxe awning lock. It comes with the S-hooks that come, and the rope comes out in a line right down here. Straight line, not this way, not that way. This is perfectly set up, this van. Also, the owner here has taken advantage of being able to anchor the whole electric awning to the ground with two other features that we sell. One is the adapter on the top here that bolts through the side hole on the Deluxe awning, and that thumb screw holds any standard tent pole in it, so that locks the tent pole top to the barrel. Down the bottom we have a clamp that goes on any standard tent pole that goes from 19 to 25 millimeters. Thumb screw on there that we turn in and anchor that tight and anchor it to the ground. Now what we have is a setup that is anchored at the bottom, it's anchored at the top. This is locked solid, nothing can move in the wind. It is the ideal setup.